Karbi Anglong-based militant outfit KAL crossfired with police on 3rd of August. Chairman of KAL, DP Kronjang, arrested. Padma Shri Dhanaswar Inkti visited Mahatma Gandhi Sarvodaya Trust and exchanged his ideas and vision at Guwahati on 2nd August. 3 prisoners managed to escape from Depot District Jail on 2nd August. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. Amidst the preparation for the celebration of 75th Independence Day, Karbi Anglong-based militant outfit Karbi United Liberation Army, in short, KAL, had engaged into a gunfight with police department on 3rd of August at the outskirts of Langvuku picnic spot. DP Kronjang, KAL, had suffered an injury during the fight, which led to his arrest. He was brought to Depot Medical College for his treatment. Karbi United Liberation Army, KAL, is a newly formed Karbi Anglong-based militant outfit. Several reports had been received by Bukalia police station from its sources for demanding money from random citizens. It was reported that the police officials had been tracing the phone numbers of the suspected individuals in connection with the newly formed militant outfit since the last few days. Therefore, with the help of its intel, a person named Thengtom Hanse, resident of Sar Hanse village, under the jurisdiction of Depot police station, was arrested in suspicion. After rounds of interrogation, he finally revealed his identity and confessed that he was a finance secretary to Karbi United Liberation Army, KAL, and his alias name was Arak Ijam. And with the information provided by him, Pranab Timung alias Sedeng Tungjang, General Secretary of KAL, was arrested by the police. Right after the arrest of General Secretary and Finance Secretary of KAL on 2nd of August, it was informed on 3rd of August that several rounds of bullets was exchanged between the KAL and police at the outskirts of Langvuku, falling under the jurisdiction of Manja police station. During the conflict, Daniel Teron alias DP Kronjang was injured, leading to his arrest. He was taken to Depot Medical College and Hospital for his further treatment. The police recovered fully loaded number 22 pistol with magazine, AK magazine with ammunitions, 1 kukuri machete, official notepad, camouflage jacket, mobile and many more from his possession.
আমি যোৱাকালি মানে এইবিলাক সোর্স অলপ লগোৱা হল আৰু টেকনিক্যাল এনালিসিস পিছত যোৱাকালি ৰাতি এটা ইনফৰমেশন পাইছো যে হেতু এৰিয়া মানজা এৰিয়াতে হয়তো হি মেম্বাৰস খিনি লৈ পেলে দুই এজন লৈ পেলে অলপ মুভমেন্ট হ'ব পাৰে তেনেকা মানুহে অকমান দেখিছে আৰু হেৰি কৰিছে তো আমি তেনেকে ৰাতি আৰু মই আছিলো ওসি হাওড়াঘাট ওসি মানজা ওসি বকলিয়া আৰু আমাৰ স্টাফৰ হৈতে আমি হে অপাৰেশন সার্চ অপাৰেশন এটা লঞ্চ কৰা হৈছিল যোৱা ৰাতি গোটে জায়গাটো আমি বহুত দেৰি কভাৰ কৰা হৈছিল তাৰ পিছত মাল্টিপল পইণ্টছত আমি এম্বিউশ লিড কৰা হৈছিল তাৰ পিছত 3টা 3:30 4টা এনেকুৱা মান বজাত আৰু অকমান সাসপেক্টেড মুভমেন্ট কিছুমান দেখা গ'ল অকমান দূৰৰ পৰা তাকে আমি প্ৰথমতে অকমান হিহঁতক এলাৰ্ট কৰি মানে ৰখিবলে বা আইডেন্টিফাই কোন হয় কি হয় এখিনি হুদুতে যেহেতু ৰাতি 3:30 4টা বজাত নরমালি তো কোনো মানুহে তেনেকে ঘুৰি না থাকে এইটো জায়গা তো হিহঁতি মানে ফায়াৰিং অকমান স্টার্ট কৰিলে আমি নিজৰ সেলফ ডিফেন্সত আমিও কাউন্টাৰ ফায়াৰিং কন্ট্ৰোল উইথ মানে ফায়াৰিং কৰা হৈছিল তাৰ পিছত অকমান মোমেন্টছৰ কাৰণে
Balsan Terang's report from Volongkomaji, Karbi Anglong Live. Guwahati-based Sarvodaya Trust is one of the largest voluntary organizations among Gandhian international trusts globally. On 2nd of August, Padma Shri Dhanaswar Inkti was invited at its head office as a guest of honor at Guwahati. Sarvodaya Trust is a Guwahati-based voluntary organization under Gandhian International Trust to fulfill the aspirations of Mahatma Gandhi's vision in providing charitable services to orphanage, widowed, and to people below poverty line. Kasturba Gandhi School and Sarania Ashram at Guwahati are the living example of such services. But Masri Dhaneswar Ingti was welcomed as a guest of honor at the Sarvodaya Trust at Guwahati on 2nd of August for bringing laurels to Assam, Karbi Anglong and Northeast India as a whole. But Masri Dhaneswar Ingti interacted with the members and exchanged his ideas and vision with Guwahati-based voluntary organization. It was informed that the organization had discussed about their future goals, adopted new resolutions to proceed and achieve more heights in the days to come. Bikram Tiron's report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 2nd of August, around 5 p.m. early evening, it was reported that 3 prisoners from Dipu district jail escaped the detention cell. This had created bewilderness among the concerned authority and the citizens of the region. Reports says that the incident had taken place when 5 of the prisoners was tested positive for COVID-19 and were kept isolated in one cell for quarantine purpose. The prisoners dismantled the ventilator's grill and 3 of them managed to escape from the detention cell. But it is a matter of great concern that despite the jail is equipped with huge boundary wall, how did the prisoners manage to escape from the prison? The 3 prisoners who managed to escape the detention cell were identified as Ainul Ali, convicted for thief, Ajmer, convicted for drugs-related purpose by narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, and Idris Ali, convicted for drugs-related purpose by narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Police department are engaged in the search operation, but so far, the police are unable to trace their whereabouts. NewsX report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.